ดู look at this this is eggplant the small eggplant we eat this stuff this is good eat with lab or something you don't have to cook it you eat it raw กินได้ว้าวสลัด see this is the flower what the flower looks like ดอกมันออกงามเนาะมีลายยังมีลายอยู่เบิ่งที่นี่ยังมีลายอันนี้ก็กินโอ้มันสูงแล้วเบิ่งแม่สูงอันนี้เจ้ากินกับลาบใส่ลาบเนาะกินแซ่บอันนี้เป็นต้นไม้ต้นมะกะทินthis is มะกะทินplum tree โอ้ย very sad อีต้นมัน only มีแต่อันเดียว only one this is mark pomelo pomelo เอิ้นว่าหยัง it's like grapefruit แบบ grapefruit but it's not I think it's grapefruit avocado tree ยังน้อย still little one day hope to eat this avocado มื้อหนึ่งจะได้กินเนาะright now ยังน้อยอยู่ oh another cassava ต้นมะ cassava this look like a king or cow I think ginger or galanga right here this is a peach tree มัก peach oh look peach still little well guys อันนี้เป็นหลังบ้าน this is my backyard right here guys อยู่หลังบ้านมันมีต้นแบบนี้ this is in my backyard guys look small มันยังน้อย I cannot eat this กินไปได้เทื่อมันยังน้อย Here's another one oh another one ต้นใบขี้หูด or kaffir American call it kaffir I got two of these this is a peppercorn ภาษาลาว I don't know but peppercorn you know ภาษาอเมริกา is peppercorn เจ้าใส่แกงก็ได้ you put in soup they grow all the way over here มาทางนี้ this is persimmon tree guys persimmon prickly pear cactus you know some people บางคนมักกิน but the prickly pear cactus is not ready yet this is the fruit that you eat it's not ready yet see this is the fruit when it turn red มันสีแดง and then you could eat that the fruit a lot of spider web look spider web this dragon fruit ยังน้อย still little but hopefully I get some fruit who knows when เมื่อใดตอนใด I don't know It's another one, dragon fruit. Persimmon. I don't know if they have in Asian or Lao, but persimmon look. Persimmon. That's one. That's two. Three. There's more. Look up there. There's more fruit. But they're still young. See that? Still young, but when they become ripe, I'll show you guys. But right now, I'm still young. It looked like this one fell off. This one, I don't know what happened. It fell off. So anyway, that's persimmon fruit over here. Right here, see? Yeah, more persimmon fruit. Yeah, two more here. Still little. Okay. It's down here. There's more right here. Oh, look at that persimmon. See that? This is pomegranate. A lot of flower from this pomegranate tree, but where are the fruits? Oh, I saw one. There's one fruit right here. Oh, look at this. Pomegranate fruit. I got one so far, me and Dio. So far, only one that I could see. But yeah, it's a lot of flower. Oh wait, what do we have here? Oh, bird. Hi bird. I didn't mean to bother your nest, but I'm just filming you, okay? Sorry. Oh, okay, sorry. I'm not trying to bother you. But here you are. You have a little nest here, huh? Okay, here you are. Looking at me. Okay, I'm just filming. I'm not gonna bother you, I'm just filming. I hope you have a lot of egg, and I hope you have a lot of offspring, okay? I'm not bothering you, I'm just filming. He's protecting his nest. She's protecting her nest, I know. I don't know if it's a she or he. Sometimes male bird could be protecting their nest. Yep, that's a bird in the tree. Okay, here you go.